Hey go hey!
So, we're going to be making a video about randomness.
Randomness.
I feel like poop. Anyway.
Did you guys know? Unicorns are cool.
So,
I don't want to be on Google. I want to be on YouTube. Because, you know, we're cool like that.
So, you know, when we get YouTube famous,
We're
going to make videos like normal YouTubers do.
normal human beings. Because, you know, that's never going to happen. Because we are not normal people.
Unicorns are cool.
Yeah, unicorns are very cool.
Pancakes taste good.
Pancakes taste very good.
Yeah, so. Yeah. I don't even understand why you're still watching this.
Me either. So, deuces.